This is my Ford F-250 6.9 diesel, year 1985, and she is one hell of a beast. And I have not started her up in about half a year. It's been about 6 months because I've been working in California. Got a job down there, but I'm back in my hometown and ready to start working on her again. Yeah, she's pretty, I know. She is pretty. So, this is actually the warmest day here in Oregon that we've had. You know, I thought I was gonna show you guys a cold start here, but I pretty much consider it a cold start because it hasn't been started in 6 months, so, and has not been plugged in, so she's pretty cold. So let's see what she can do. Oh yeah, baby. She's a couple cranks. She's one hell of a truck. One hell of a truck. Woo! Hell yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! God bless America. Here's the inside. 4-speed manual. Just got the clutch actually redone, so she's ready to be ran. And there's that window that I fucked up a while ago. The window motor quit working, so I had to use pliers to roll that fucker up, and yeah, she broke on me. Anyway, there she is. Good old 6.9. Thanks for watching.